So sometimes you're going to see the note stand on an upright piano that it doesn't really hold when you fold it in place. So when you lower the fallboard, the note stand will just drop down, just like this. And the reason is that this, over time, these screws, they loosen. See if you can see better. They loosen, and then the pen can't really get fully into the hole and get fully inside that hole to hold it. So all we need to do in this case is just tighten these screws here. Let me see if I can do it while holding the phone with one hand, so I can record this. Okay, so if I tighten these screws, okay, and I just tightened the ones on the bottom. They were loose as well. So now, let's see. Now we're gonna close this, and then when we lower it, it won't fall. The note stand is just going to stay in place. So again, when we tighten these screws here, so the hinge stays tight against the wood, the fallboard, this pin gets inside the hole fully, and then it holds. Otherwise, it doesn't really hold very tight. I'm gonna close it, and you see when we lower it, it's gonna be just fine.